Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel The Knowledge Library. In today's video, we are going to dive into the fascinating world of the Indian Air Force with engaging multiple choice questions. Our MCQs will test your knowledge and expand your understanding. So join us on this exciting journey and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for updates. Before starting, let us tell you a little about the Indian Air Force. The Indian Air Force is the air arm of the Indian Armed Forces responsible for securing Indian airspace and conducting aerial warfare. Established on October 8, 1932, it has since evolved into one of the largest and most sophisticated air forces in the world. The IAF celebrates Air Force Day on October 8, showcasing its achievements and capabilities through parades and air shows. Now, let us move on to the MCQs. The first question is, when is the Indian Air Force Day celebrated? Option A 8th October. Option B 15th August. Option C 26th January. Option D 1st May. The correct answer is option A 8th October. The next question is, in which year was the Indian Air Force established? Option A 1932. Option B 1947. Option C 1950. Option D 1965. The correct answer is option A 1932. The next question is, the motto of the Indian Air Force is option A touch the sky with glory. Option B service before self. Option C always alert. Option D victory over the enemy. The correct answer is option A touch the sky with glory. The next question is, what was the original name of the Indian Air Force? Option A Royal Indian Air Force. Option B Bharat Air Force. Option C Indian Royal Air Wing. Option D Imperial Air Force. The correct answer is option A Royal Indian Air Force. The next question is, who was the first Chief of Air Staff of the Indian Air Force? Option A Subrata Mukherjee. Option B Arjun Singh. Option C SP Tyagi. Option D Om Prakash Mehra. The correct answer is option A Subrata Mukherjee. The next question is, the Indian Air Force is the dash largest air force in the world. Option A second. Option B fourth. Option C fifth. Option D 7. The correct answer is option B 4. The next question is, which aircraft is known as the backbone of the IAF? Option A Sukhoi Su-30 MKI. Option B Mirage 2000. Option C Tejas LCA. Option D MiG-21. The answer is option A Sukhoi Su-30 MKI. The next question is, Operation Safed Sagar was conducted during which conflict? Option A Indo-Pak War 1971. Option B Kargil War 1999. Option C Sino-Indian War 1962. Option D Indo-Pak War 1965. The correct answer is option B Kargil War 1999. The next question is, what is the indigenous fighter aircraft developed by India? Option A Rafale. Option B Sukhoi Su-30. Option C Tejas. Option D Jaguar. The correct answer is option C Tejas. The next question is, The Indian Air Force is a part of which ministry? Option A, Ministry of Defense. Option B, Ministry of Home Affairs. Option C, Ministry of External Affairs. Option D, Ministry of Aviation. The correct answer is option A, Ministry of Defense. The next question is, which is the transport aircraft used by the Indian Air Force? Option A, C-17 Globemaster III. Option B, Rafale. Option C, Mirage 2000. Option D, MiG-29. The correct answer is option A, C-17 Globemaster III. The next question is, which helicopter is commonly used for rescue and relief operations by the IAF? Option A, Apache. Option B, Chinook. Option C, Mi-17. Option D, Tejas. The correct answer is option C, Mi-17. The next question is, who is the Supreme Commander of the Indian Air Force? Option A, Prime Minister of India. Option B, Defence Minister of India. Option C, Chief of Defence Staff. Option D, President of India. The correct answer is option D, President of India. The next question is, which squadron of the IAF performed the Balcott airstrikes in 2019? Option A, number 51 Squadron. Option B, number 1 Squadron. Option C, number 17 Squadron. Option D, number 5 Squadron. The correct answer is option C, number 17 Squadron. The next question is, which fighter jet was inducted into the Indian Air Force in 2020? Option A, F-16. Option B, MiG-29. Option C, Rafale. Option D, Mirage 2000. The correct answer is option C, Rafale. The next question is, which aircraft played a key role in the 1971 Indo-Pak War? Option A, MiG-21. Option B, Mirage 2000. Option C, Sukhoi Su-30 MKI. Option D, Hawker Hunter. The correct answer is option A, MiG-21. The next question is, what was the name of the first female fighter pilot of the Indian Air Force? Option A, Avani Chaturvedi. Option B, Gunjan Saxena. Option C, Bhavana Kant. Option D, Shalija Dhami. The correct answer is option A, Avani Chaturvedi. The next question is, the Indian Air Force participated in which UN peacekeeping mission? Option A, Congo. Option B, Afghanistan. Option C, Iraq. Option D, Sudan. The correct answer is option A, Congo. The next question is, what is the airbase of the Indian Air Force located in Gujarat? Option A, Jamnagar Air Base. Option B, Hindan Air Base. Option C, Ambala Air Base. Option D, Pathankot Air Base. The correct answer is option A, Jamnagar Air Base. The next question is, the first Air Marshal of India was? Option A, Arjan Singh. Option B, Subrata Mukherjee. Option C, Idris Hassan Latif. Option D, Katre. The correct answer is option A, Arjun Singh. Moving to the next question. In which year did the Indian Air Force become a separate entity from the Indian Army? Option A, 1932. Option B, 1947. Option C, 1950. Option D, 1938. The correct answer is option D, 1938. The next question is, which is the oldest operational squadron of the Indian Air Force? Option A, number 1 squadron. Option B, number 5 squadron. Option C, number 17 squadron. Option D, number 51 squadron. The correct answer is option A, number 1 squadron. The next question is, which operation was carried out by the Indian Air Force during the 1962 Sino-Indian War? Option A, Operation Vijay. Option B, Operation Meghdoot. Option C, Operation Pawan. Option D, Airlift of Troops and Supplies. The correct answer is option D, Airlift of Troops and Supplies. Moving to the next question. Which Indian city is the headquarters of the Western Air Command of the IAF? Option A, Delhi. Option B, Chandigarh. Option C, Mumbai. Option D, Lucknow. The correct answer is option B, Chandigarh. The next question is, the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited HAL manufactures which of the following aircraft? Option Rafale. Option B, Tejas. Option C, MiG-29. Option D, Mirage 2000. The correct answer is option B, Tejas. The next question is, which of the following air exercises does the Indian Air Force participate in with the United States? Option A, Indradhanush. Option B, COPE India. Option C, Garuda. Option D, Yudh Abhas. The correct answer is option B, COPE India. The next question is, which operation was carried out by the Indian Air Force in 1984 to secure the Siachen Glacier? Option A, Operation Meghdoot. Option B, Operation Vijay. Option C, Operation Safed Sagar. Option D, Operation Trident. The correct answer is option A, Operation Meghdoot. The next question is, the Indian Air Force aerobatic team is known as? Option A, Surya Kiran. Option B, Garud. Option C, Vajra. Option D, Shakti. The correct answer is option A, Surya Kiran. The next question is, which operation was carried out by the IAF during the 1999 Kargil conflict? Option A, Operation Vijay. Option B, Operation Meghdoot. Option C, Operation Safed Sagar. Option D, Operation Pawan. The correct answer is option C, Operation Safed Sagar. The next question is, what is the primary role of the Garud Commando Force of the Indian Air Force? Option A, Ground Combat. Option B, Special Operations. Option C, Cyber Security. Option D, Logistics. The correct answer is option B, Special Operations. The next question is, which aircraft is known for dropping the first nuclear bomb test in Pakistan? In India? Option A, MiG-21. Option B, Sukhoi Su-30 MKI. Option C, Mirage 2000. Option D, Tejas. The correct answer is option C, Mirage 2000. The next question is, what is the name of India's first dedicated military satellite launched for the Air Force? Option A, GSAT-7A. Option B, INSAT-4B. Option C, GSAT-30. Or option D, RESAT-2. The correct answer is option A, GSAT-7A. The next question is, which aircraft has been the longest serving aircraft in the Indian Air Force? Option A, MiG-21. Option B, Jaguar. Option C, Mirage 2000. Option D, Sukhoi Su-30 MKI. The correct answer is option A, MiG-21. The next question is, who is the current Chief of Air Staff of the Indian Air Force as of 2024? Option A, Vivek Ram Chaudhary. Option B, Rakesh Kumar Singh Bhadoria. Option C, Arjun Singh. Option D, Anil Khosla. The correct answer is option A, Vivek Ram Chaudhary. The next question is, which IAF airbase is located in Rajasthan? Option A, Jodhpur Air Base. Option B, Ambala Air Base. Option C, Pathankot Air Base. Option D, Hindon Air Base. The correct answer is option A, Jodhpur Air Base. The next question is, which aircraft is designated as tanker for aerial refueling in the Indian Air Force? Option A, IL-78. Option B, C-130J. Option C, MiG-29. Option D, Rafale. The correct answer is option A, IL-78. The next question is, the IAF's Himalayan Eagle exercise is conducted in which region? Option A, Ladakh. Option B, Rajasthan. Option C, Sikkim. Option D, Arunachal Pradesh. The correct answer is option A, Ladakh. The next question is, which IAF operation was conducted to evacuate Indian citizens from Kuwait during the Gulf War? Option A, Operation Meghdoot. Option B, Operation Cactus. Option C, Operation Rahat. Option D, Operation Airlift. The correct answer is option D, Operation Airlift. The next question is, who was the first female officer to be awarded the Shaurya Chakra in the Indian Air Force? Option A, Gunjan Saxena. Option B, Avani Chaturvedi. Option C, Bhavana Kant. Option D, Shalija Dhami. The correct answer is option A, Gunjan Saxena. The next question is, which of the following is not a transport aircraft in the Indian Air Force? Option A, AN-32. Option B, C-130J. Option C, C-17 Globemaster III. Option D, MiG-27. The correct answer is option D, MiG-27. The next question is, which Indian state houses the Tezpur Air Force Station? Option A, Assam. Option B, Gujarat. Option C, West Bengal. Option D, Punjab. The correct answer is option A, Assam. The next question is, the Air Force Academy is located in which state? Option A Maharashtra. Option B Gujarat. Option C Telangana. Option D Karnataka. The correct answer is option C Telangana. The next question is, the IAF's role in UN peacekeeping operation is known for its deployment in which country? Option A Korea. Option B Congo. Option C Afghanistan. Option D Iran. The correct answer is option B Congo. The next question is, the Indian Air Force operation during the Uttarakhand floods in 2013 was known as? Option A Operation Rahat. Option B Operation Cactus. Option C Operation Vijay. Option D Operation Pawan. The correct answer is option A Operation Rahat. The next question is, which Indian Air Force aircraft has the capability of strategic airlift? Option A C-17 Globemaster III. Option B MiG-21. Option C Jaguar. Option D Midas 2000. The correct answer is option A C-17 Globemaster III. The next question is, the term IAF Big Birds referred to which category of aircraft? Option A Fighter aircraft. Option B Transport aircraft. Option C Trainer aircraft. Option D Helicopters. The correct answer is option B Transport aircraft. The next question is, what was the name of the air operation conducted by IAF during the 1971 Indo-Pak War? Option A Operation Cactus. Option B Operation Trident. Option C Operation Genghis Khan. Option D Operation Pawan. The correct answer is option C Operation Genghis Khan. The next question is, the Indian Air Force Network AFNet launched in 2010 provides? Option A Cybersecurity. Option B Secure Communication Network. Option C Surveillance and Reconnaissance. Option D Satellite Communication. The correct answer is option B Secure Communication Network. The next question is, the Sukhoi Su-30 MKI is a? Option A Multi-role fighter. Option B Transport aircraft. Option C Helicopter. Option D Trainer aircraft. The correct answer is option A Multi-role fighter. The next question is, who was the first Indian to fly a fighter aircraft? Option A JRD Tata. Option B Subrata Mukherjee. Option C Arjun Singh. Option D Indralal Roy. The correct answer is option D Indralal Roy. The next question is, the first Indian woman officer to fly solo in a fighter aircraft is? Option A Avani Chaturvedi. Option B Gunjan Saxena. Option C Bhavana Kant. Option D Shalija Dhami. The correct answer is option A Avani Chaturvedi. The next question is, which of the following is an air-to-air missile used by the Indian Air Force? Option A BrahMos. Option B Astra. Option C Nirbhay. Option D Agni. The correct answer is option B Astra. The next question is, Operation Maitri was an IAF mission for which country? Option A, Nepal. Option B, Sri Lanka. Option C, Maldives. Option D, Bangladesh. The correct answer is option A, Nepal. The next question is, which military exercise is held between the air forces of India and France? Option A, Yudh Abhyas. Option B, Varuna. Option C, Garuda. Option D, Cope India. The correct answer is option C, Garuda. The next question is, which fighter aircraft of the Indian Air Force participated in the Balakot airstrikes? Option A, Sukhoi SU-30 MKI. Option B, Mirage 2000. Option C, MiG-29. Option D, Tejas. The correct answer is option B, Mirage 2000. The next question is, the IAF station at Hindon is located near which city? Option A, Bengaluru. Option B, Delhi. Option C, Mumbai. Option D, Chennai. The correct answer is option B, Delhi. The next question is, what is the highest rank achievable in the Indian Air Force? Option A, Air Marshal. Option B, Air Chief Marshal. Option C, Wing Commander. Option D, Marshal of the Indian Air Force. The correct answer is option D, Marshal of the Indian Air Force. The next question is, which operation was launched by the IAF to provide aid during the 2004 tsunami? Option A, Operation Rahat. Option B, Operation Pawan. Option C, Operation Maitri. Option D, Operation Sea Waves. The correct answer is option D, Operation Sea Waves. The next question is, the Mi-17 helicopter is mainly used for option A, combat. Option B, rescue and relief operations. Option C, training. Option D, refueling. The correct answer is option B, rescue and relief operations. The next question is, the Indian Air Force is structured into how many operational commands? Option A, 3. Option B, 5. Option C, 7. Option D, 9. The correct answer is option C, 7. The next question is, what is the code name for the airlift operation during the Indochina conflict in 1962? Option A, Operation Meghdoot. Option B, Operation Pawan. Option C, Operation Eagle. Option D, Operation Cactus. The correct answer is option C, Operation Eagle. The next question is, the headquarters of the Indian Air Force is located in option A, Mumbai. Option B, New Delhi. Option C, Hyderabad. Option D, Kolkata. The correct answer is option B, New Delhi. Thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe our YouTube channel, The Knowledge Library.